gusto kong lagi sa mga libro ngayon, yung may sinasagot.
This is what I want to answer today. Where does your greatest conviction come from? Ito yung iti-drawing natin. Bible. If you're like me who overthinks everything na parang dapat tama yung pagkakasulat and all that, in this book, in-encourage niya na you don't have to be perfect. So, I just finished drawing where my conviction comes from. None other than the B-I-B-L-E. It's the Bible. Sabi niya dito, conviction is built through repeatedly choosing the same direction amidst uncertainty. It begins with a small yet clear decision, like at a crossroads. Even though you hesitate, your steps still lead you down the path you believe in more. Naman ako magsasalita. But my conviction says, I shouldn't judge. Yun nga, ang sagot ko is, it's the Bible that I get my greatest conviction from. Ever since God found me, the day I encountered Him, I realized that I cannot live this life apart from the one who created me. I cannot live this life how it's intended to be kung hindi ako malapit dun sa nag-create sa akin, which is God. And God can converse with me through His Word. So, this is where I get my greatest conviction. Kaya I'm also careful when I read books kasi I make sure that even if it sounds nice, I still have to go back to the Bible and check if it is aligned to it. Just like this one, I bought this kasi nakot yung attention ko sa mga activities na pwede mong gawin. Because I want to spend less time sa aking phone, just like this person is doing. Just kidding. Gusto ko nung ganito may mga sasagot-sagotan. Pero may mga part dito, yun nga eh. Meron akong NX dito. May mga part kasi na may mga messages, ganon. Ito kasi yung sabi dito, kaya ako nilagyan siya ng X. Sabi dito, there's no need to force anything. Follow your heart. That's something that I don't believe in. Why is there a shaking in my video?
Halo!
Na para bang follow your heart. And that's not what the word says. Kasi sabi sa Bible, what does the verse say? Said, the heart is deceitful. So I shouldn't be following what is deceitful, right? I should be following God's word. So